You can easily compare home health agencies on Florida Health Finder. From the home page, under Compare, click on Home Health Agencies. On the next screen, you can see educational resources for home health agencies. To continue, click the light blue Compare Home Health Agencies button. On the next screen, you can choose to search providers by county or service area, by the name of the provider, or by certification status. There are 4 types of certification status: Medicaid certified, Medicare certified, Medicaid and Medicare certified, or neither. Today, let's search providers by county. We'll select Brevard County, and then click the red View Results button. The Home Health Agency Comparison Tool uses a 7-year rolling window. That means that whatever day you use the tool, your search results will show from yesterday back 7 years. In the first column, you can see a list of the providers sorted alphabetically. In the next column, you can see the number of counties or service areas that a particular provider covers. You can hover your mouse over the number and a floating menu will appear that shows you the list of counties. The third column that says Type shows us whether an individual provider is Medicare certified, Medicaid certified, both, or neither. The next column shows their accreditation, and there are 4 types. You can see JC is short for Joint Commission, CHAP, Community Health Accreditation Program, ACHC, Accreditation Commission for Healthcare, or none. The next column shows the number of complaints for this 7-year window. The next column shows the number of sanctions or final orders during that time, the fines, and then the number of deficiencies. There's a total number, and then this is broken out by class type. The annual patient admissions are shown in the next column, and then the Medicare Quality of Patient Care score if available. Special designations are listed and compared, as well as whether this provider offers pediatric services. And finally, the number of services offered are compared in the last column, and again, here you can hover your mouse over the number and a floating menu will list those services where you can see them. Remember, you can always click the name of any individual provider to visit that provider's profile page, where you can find location information, administrative information, license information, a link to their inspection reports, and further service details. And remember, you have the option to export your results on a comparison tool to Excel by looking for a button at the bottom of your results list.